Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Citizens Bank with Splitwise. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to fund Splitwise transactions with your Citizens Bank. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Splitwise. Next, go ahead and click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Next, click on Add a Funding Source. Then from here, click on Bank Account. Now on this page here, you want to go ahead and click on Continue on the bottom-hand side. Then click on Continue again, and then scroll down and then click on Citizens. Now on this page here, it's going to prompt you to log into your Citizens Bank so that you can select which account you want to connect Splitwise with. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.